How to transfer Free Fire account to a new phone. First, you want to simply download and install the Free Fire game on your new phone as well, and you want to simply open the game. After that, what you want to do is you'll be able to see a lot of login methods over here. If you have binded your account through your Facebook account, Google account, or Apple or VK account, you want to simply tap on this more option over here, and you'll be able to see options called sign in with Google, X, and VK ID over here. Signed in with your Facebook account, you can tap on sign in with Facebook as well. However, if you haven't binded your account, you wouldn't be able to log in your guest account on your another device. And if you want to do that, what you need to do is first you want to simply go to your previous device or the old device, and you want to simply open your guest account, and you want to simply go to your settings over here. After that, you will be able to see an option called bind over here. You want to simply tap on bind, and you want to select any kinds of form of binding account, whether it's your Facebook account, X, or Google or VK over here. You can simply select one of these options, and once you binded your account, you would be able to open your account on another device as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.